Hey friends, you are back here again with your friend Kamaldin, the founder of Double Decade Engineering, a STEM school that teaches engineering, technology, and innovations. So in today's class, what I wanted to show you is this SDR platform that I'm coaching. I've been playing with it anyway for a very long time, but I started thinking that I have now stayed in the industry, particularly RF industry, for about 7 years now. So I started thinking that it is better to start giving back to upcoming engineers who are going to be highly motivated. They wanted to learn more about RF and how they can play around, what they can understand about maybe different modulation techniques like amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, quadruple amplitude modulation, PSK, QPSK, so something like this. This platform makes all those possible. So currently, if you can see, this is AdalmPluto. It is called. The actual name is SDR Active Learning Module. So it's actually made purposefully for those who are interested in learning about SDR and this type of communication techniques. So if you look at this launch pad, it has two channels. One is for the transmitter and the other is for the receiver. But for this particular version, this is a version we call version C. There is also version C and version D, and you also see it once you turn to the back. So here is a division, is division C. You can see it here. That means that you can expand this particular division up to 6 GHz, and you can also expand the bandwidth of operation to 70 MHz. I will show you how to do that in a minute. And what it takes to do that is just to open the back, remove the screw, and open it. And I will show you the channel. It has already been there. All you need to do is just to buy the jigs. So let's see. Okay, so I have now opened up the Pluto, and you can see. So if you carefully pay attention, you see that this is an RF jig that's connected to this one port, and this is another jig that is connected to this other port. So what you need to do now is, if you want to expand it to 6 GHz, you have one additional port here, and you have one additional port here. So all you need to do is just to buy those two jigs, and then you can come here on the top and then drill holes for these two SMA connector to be able to sit them properly. And once you do that, that is it. You can start playing in more modulation form. So, but there is also one more secret to this launchpad, but I will tell that in another video. Yes. So I will show you how to play around. I have some antenna. You can plug. You can fix them on the Pluto, and as well you can play with this particular module in Visual Studio Code. So let's do that. Okay, so as you can see here are different antenna modules that you can use as a connector for both the transmitter and the receiver, depending on what your applications are. And this antenna can go up to for the particular bandwidth, can go up to now 15 MHz. So you can see this is also applicable. This is actually, this particular one, these are the two main antenna that comes with AdalmPluto, but I've been doing other projects before I bought AdalmPluto, so I have this antenna and I have this one. And this also came with AdalmPluto. This one is if you want to do board-to-board communication. So it means what you need to do is that you fixed one channel to the other. Yeah, so this is what you achieve once you have that. So it means you are doing internal communication, you are transmitting, and also you are receiving at the same time with server. So that is what that means. Okay, let's check quickly now in Visual Studio and see what we can do with this one part. Okay. Okay, so we are now in Visual Studio Code. And this is just an example of knowledge diversity page. You can do that as well. Just get started with Launchpad. And here
We are just doing simple power spectrum density analysis. Code has already been written. The most important part is code. So you are using access to that particular function to create the AdalmPluto environment. Once you do that, you can continue to define your parameter in configuration. After that, define what you want as a local outlet. Well, as it is, you can just code. Let's just quickly do that. My having that, you already have that. You already have this in mind. You already have this, all these important library already installed. Python environment, so if you have a usually flag it program and tell you that all in my own case all the packages. So I just want to run so and if you start the program you can go in terminal, let's see, so it's now loading background. So let's see, trying to get matplotlib. Okay, so power spectrum then. And because it's Pluto, it's running from particular lower or upper peak. To run for a certain time and ready at and then it stops on up and down. It's a problem. Yeah, so it's not trying to bring all the laptop. So and we can save, we can either save it on the desktop or export it. Okay. So